Hello students, mainly anthropology students after going to coaching classes, preparing notes, doing lot of hard work, they fail to score more than 220 marks. Why they fail to score more than 220 marks? Mainly because of two reasons. Number one, which questions to attempt in the examination hall? They make wrong decisions. They fail in proper decision making, because of which they don't understand which questions to answer in the examination hall, as well as how to have proper time management. These are the two big problems in the examination hall which is stopping them to score 300 plus marks. For that, how to choose proper questions as well as how to manage time in the examination hall, I am explaining in this particular video. Full length paper 1, how we have to write the answers. So here I am not going to explain the complete answer. Why? Because I believe that you completed paper 1. So you want idea how to remember. You want that push so that what are all the points should be in your answer. That should be the thing. See, we reading anyhow, what is the model answer? That those all done. Now, what should be the main points which should be reflected in your answer? And what points, if it is there, then you will get more marks in your anthropology paper 1. I will tell you the structure again. There will be 8 questions in your examination. You will have section A and section B. In section A, first question you will be having 5 compulsory questions. In fifth question you will be having 5 compulsory questions. In section A, 1, 2, 3, 4. In section B, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 and 4. First and fifth are compulsory questions. You have to attempt, no choice. So each will be 10 marker, 5 questions, 10 into 5, 50 marks. Here also fifth, 10 marker, 5 questions compulsory, 10 into 5, 50 marks. So 1 and 5 compulsory you have to attempt. So 5 questions, 5 into 50, 250 marks. So that means 1 and 5 are compulsory, means another 3 you have to attempt. In section A, if you attempt 3, then section B you have to attempt 2. In section B, if you attempt 3, then in your section A you have to attempt 2. In that way, 2 plus 3 will become 5, or 3 plus 2 will become 5. But 1 and 5 is compulsory. Means what? 2, 3, 4 if you choose 1, 6, 7, 8 you have to choose 2. In 6, 7, 8 if you choose 1, then 2, 3, 4 you have to choose 2. In that way you should plan. Then again in 2, 3, 4, whereas I told you first and fifth A, B, C, D, E, in fifth A, B, C, D, E compulsory questions, each will be 10 markers. So 10 into 5, 50 marks. Whereas 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, you will have 3 questions, 3 sub questions. ABC, ABC, ABC. This side 6th. ABC, 7th. ABC, 8th. ABC. Damn sure. ABC, A will be 20 marker, B will be 15 marker, C will be 15 marker. So usually what will happen, when we see the second question, third question, fourth question, sixth question, seventh question, eighth question, in A, I told you 2, 3, 4, A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C, A question will be very easy. It will be tempting. So we will write A, 20 mark has been completed out of 50 mark. When you go for B and C, B will be tough or C will be tough. So you will be not in a position to attempt 6C or B. So what will happen? Your attempt out of 50 will be only 35. Why? Because another 15 marks you don't know. So very carefully, your completion of your paper, 20% of completion of your paper will be done if you properly choose which answers you have to attempt. The 20% of answer writing is which answer you have to attempt, which answer you should not attempt. Means 1 and 5 no choice, but 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, from 2, 3, 4 if you attempt 1, here you have to attempt 2, from 3 you can choose 1 properly where you know A, B, C perfectly. Why? Because in A, B, C whether you have choice? No. So you have to remember in your mind, 20% of your answer is with respect to selection of the question. The selection of the question, whether I am going to choose 2, 3, 4, 2 questions, then 6, 7, 8, 1 question, which question it is? In that question, whether I know A, B, C or not. In that question, whether I know A, B, C or not is very, very important. So 20% of scoring 300 marks. The challenge of scoring 300 marks in anthropology will be done if you do your 20% of work in the examination hall. The 20% of work is choosing which answer to write. Everyone will neglect this. How we will get, sir? By practice. How we will write? How we will get that, sir? How we will master the 20% of getting marks, sir? By practice.